Welcome to my very first episode of LovEm or LosEm. So today I decided to color my hair because we've been in this crazy locked up state during COVID-19 and I'm dying for something fun with my hair. So today's video, we are going to be reviewing color correction. I've never used a color correction before, ever. Simply wash away difficult colors, removes artificial hair color, gently removes permanent and semi-permanent hair color, takes only 20 minutes, which I'm stoked about. I don't know if it'll work. It comes with a lovely pamphlet, a hair cap, and it also has gloves. And it's so easy, it labels the steps on them, just like box colors. Step 1, add contents of bottle 1 into bottle 2. It's a very nice pour. Well, thank you. Step 2, shake well for 30 seconds. And apply. I've sectioned my hair into 2 parts. Because I have the 2 bottles, it really helps me stay on track of how much product I'm using because I don't want to run out. I bet you my kids are going to come in at any moment. Mom! Mommy's busy. Potentially making herself bald. It'll be 1 minute. Or 20. It's time, friends. It is time to do the work. Here goes nothing. I'm trying to do, well, I say I'm trying to do smaller pieces. Work my fingers from root to tip. You want to be gentle with your hair, well, especially mine because I've really messed it up today, like several times. So I'm like trying to make myself bald. Root to tip. I think I got it in my glove. Is it supposed to be foaming? Think positive, Em. Think positive. Sideburn. Moving on. I'm just really getting in there, getting my roots, and then letting it drip down. It's like pouring out pretty easy. See how liquidy it is? You get all down around the base of my neck. Because you don't want to forget those baby hairs when you pull it up into a ponytail and be like, oh yeah, the back of there, nobody sees that. Get in there, girlfriend. Like I said, I already sectioned my hair. I also leave a smaller portion on top because that's the part that falls over my face and I want to make sure that that part is completely covered and saturated, and since it's the last part that I do, I definitely want to make sure that I have enough. I won't start generally using this second bottle until I'm almost to the top. I think we pretty much saturated this bottom part. I'm going to go ahead and let this other part down. We go all along. Whoopsie. Be more careful, Emily. I don't really know if it's like doing anything yet. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely doing something. Did you see that? Oh, I better work faster. I still have the top of my head to do. This might not be good. I'm gonna speed this up, guys. Wow. I'm like shocked. I'm already loving it. The other reason was Sally's was closed. You can't get into Sally's. So I couldn't bleach my hair. That's a little bit more harsh. Like, I didn't really want it to fall out. I made jokes about going bald, but like, I don't really want to shave my head. Or do I? It's working! So I'm gonna start from the back and work my way forwards. Just like I did. Start. And I work from the root line up. You can see that difference, look at it. Brad Mondo would probably be like, what are you doing? I love him. He's actually the reason I decided to bust out my camera and film this. And yo, if you're gonna mess your hair up, you might as well get it on camera. And if it turns out hella awesome, you might as well get it on camera. So unless my hair falls out, I'm loving them. Live your most colorful life. Brad, oh my God, live your best life, live your most colorful life. Oh yes. I love watching him. I used to never watch YouTube videos or Facebook videos for that matter. And then all this happened and I discovered get like looped in. It's really lifting the color out. Okay, bye-bye, little blue. I need this to process a little faster and catch up with the back of my hair, or else I feel like I'm not gonna have any hair in the back. I still have hair in the front. Maybe that's how mullets were invented. Some person accidentally frying their hair off. I'm really impressed with this so far. My hair doesn't feel like stringy or elasticy when you color your hair too much. You know what I'm talking about. If you do, it gets rubbery like a rubber band. But it wasn't today. It wasn't, so that's why I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Why not? Okay, you guys, this is really working. Do you remember how dark it was at the beginning? Okay, so far I'm really, really impressed. Really impressed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna finish putting this last drop on here. Oh my gosh, it's gone. It's gone. I'm going to put it up into a little bun so it stays. I'm gonna take my gloves off. This one, slip underneath. Boom! COVID training. I'm gonna take this bag that they gave me, put it on my head. Set a timer for 20 minutes and I'll be back. I'm gonna check it every 5 minutes and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, so I just got done washing my hair out after I used the color Oops, and I'm still not mad. I think it did a really good job. My husband said I look like vitamin C. We will always be together. It lightened it so much more. And my hair is like, it's still pretty healthy. I am not going to dry it all the way. I know that you guys probably want to see what it looks like dried, but I'm actually going to mix these two now and put it on my hair. But you'll have to stay tuned for episode 2 of that. So as for the color correction, color Oops, we love them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for episode 2 and find out if this works.